Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing your studies regularly. Welcome to the next lecture of English. Students, today I am going to start with a very beautiful poem that's 4.1. Please listen. It's a very beautiful poem and I think it's very suitable for all the teenagers, including you all people. Okay, you all are going through your teenage adolescence period, which we can call. Teenage starts from 12 years till 19 years. This is the adolescence period. As you all know, in such age many physical and mental changes takes place in human being's body, right? And you all are experienced this, right? So let's start with this beautiful poem. Please listen. What does it mean and why poet is saying this? Let's see. Please listen. You can say it's a request. And the poet name of the poet is not mentioned. This is unknown. But if we see the poem, so probably the speaker is probably a young person who is impatient and does not want advice or solution. ओके ये एक अंदाज़ा लगाया गया है कि मे बी द पोएट इज टीनेजर एंड ही माइट हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड ऑल सच थिंग्स इन हिज लाइफ दैट्स वाई ही गॉट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड and now he is expressing his feelings through this beautiful poem. Please listen. ठीक है, पोएट एक टीनेजर है, शायद उसकी ज़िंदगी में उसके साथ बहुत कुछ ऐसा हुआ है जहाँ पे वो हर्ट हुआ है एंड व्हेन ही realized that how the world is treating the teenagers, so that's why he has written this poem on behalf of all such people who are neglected, who are over pampered, and who are who doesn't get freedom to speak. As we all know, independent India has all this right, है ना? Freedom of liberty, freedom of speech, but this fellow is saying that he is not getting the freedom of speech because whenever he starts speaking, people they don't show interest in listening to him and they keep on giving him advice, okay, which he doesn't want. So let's see how he has written the poem, how he has expressed his feeling through this poem. Okay, everybody please keep your textbook open, page number 81. Keep pencil in your hand and there and then only you all start writing poem. Okay, let me tell you first thing, this poem is not written in proper format, like proper stanzas are not there. No proper rhyme scheme, no proper rhyming words. Okay, it is written in free verse. ठीक है, proper उसमें ज़्यादा poetic effect भी नहीं है. No figurative language, nothing. Very less figure of speeches you will find. ठीक है, एकदम सिंपल पोएम है, ज़्यादा पोएटिक रूल्स फॉलो नहीं हुए हैं और इसी तरह से वो लिखी गई है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. प्लीज़ लिसन, प्लीज़ सुनिए. When I ask you to listen to me and you start giving me advice, you have not done what I ask. As I told you before only, that poet is frustrated. He is not asking anything else from the people. He is just asking everybody to listen. Okay, the poet says that when he asks someone to listen to him and they start giving him advice, they have not done what he has asked. वो सिर्फ सुनने के लिए बोल रहा है, लेकिन लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, उसकी बात सुन नहीं रहे हैं, and instead of that they are just giving him advice. So poet is saying this is not the answer of my question. Okay, because he did not ask for the advice. He is just asking you all to listen to him. See, this is the very common problem of everybody, because you might have seen advisors are ever ready in our surrounding. Yes, we can say this. People are always ready to give advice, whether they are aware of it or whether they are not aware of it. उनको शायद वो चीज़ पता भी होगी या नहीं भी होगी, पता नहीं, but they will give you advices. Okay, so we have such people, we are surrounded with such people. Okay, आपको ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि शायद ये आप ही की कहानी है कहीं ना कहीं, बिकॉज इट्स अ स्टोरी ऑफ एवरी टीनेजर, बिकॉज यू नो वॉट, दिस इज सच अ एज व्हेन चिल्ड्रन फेस many problems in their life and there are many changes comes up. So that time parents also become overprotective towards their children, okay, because they care for it. But yes, children are children, they have their own mentality, and this is the age where they don't like over pampering. ठीक है, यहाँ बच्चों को अच्छा नहीं लगता है कि उनके साथ, उनको ऐसा लगता है कि अब हम बड़े हो रहे हैं, हमारी बात सुनो, हमें हमारे फैसले खुद करने दो, हमारी प्रॉब्लम अगर है भी, सो यू डोंट इंटरप्ट, आई एम केपेबल, आई एम एलिजिबल ऑफ सॉल्विंग इट. Next, when I ask you to listen to me and you begin to tell me why I shouldn't feel that way, you are trampling on my feelings. Okay, see, please listen. It's a very, very beautiful poem written by unknown poet. Poet is not known, but parents see. As just now I said, people are always ready to solve the problem, but there is no problem only. What poet is saying, मेरे को कोई problem ही नहीं है, आप क्या solve करोगे? Just listen what I'm trying to say. You know, if he is talking nonsense also, let him talk. Just give some time and listen to his irrational and foolish talks. ओके, देखो ये अननोन पोएट है, ये बहुत दुखी है और इसलिए उसने ये पोएम लिखी है. सी, पीपल आर ऑलवेज देयर टू गिव एडवाइस विच ही डजंट वांट. ओके, when I ask you to listen to me and you begin to tell me why I shouldn't feel that way, you are trampling my feeling. Trampling, you are crushing my feeling. Okay, आप कुचल रहे हो मेरी भावनाओं को. कब? जब मैं आपको सुनने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ और आप मुझे बताते हो कि नहीं, आपको ऐसा नहीं फील होना चाहिए. I'll give you one of the finest example. If you have a quarrel with your friend, with your best friend, quarrel मतलब क्या, थोड़ा बहुत छोटा मोटा सा झगड़ा हो गया है. See, this happens, this is very common. If you don't fight with your friend, that means you, what you will say, there is no friendship only, क्योंकि हम जिससे फ्रेंडशिप करते हैं उसी से लड़ते हैं और उसी से झगड़ते हैं. तो सपोज इट हैपेंड लाइक यू हैव अ quarrel with your friend and you are in your tension, you have there are many thoughts which are roaming around your mind, positive, negative, all kind of, and you just want to share this with someone. And when you start sharing with, instead of listening that, they start giving you advice that why you are feeling like this, you should not do this, why you should not behave like this, and they keep on, you know, giving all the advices which is not asked by you. समझ आया क्या? यहाँ वो सिर्फ बोल रहा है कि मेरे साथ मेरी सिर्फ बात सुनो, आप बात तो नहीं सुन रहे, और इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट आप उसको मुफ्त का ज्ञान जो है ना वो देते ही जा रहे हो, होलसेल में दे रहे हो, जो उसको चाहिए नहीं बिल्कुल भी. ठीक है, तो here what he is trying to say, whether your child is asking you something or whether your child is just sharing some feelings, please remove some time from your busy schedule and listen what he is trying to say, whether it makes sense or whether it doesn't make sense. देखो, हमारे साथ दिन भर हम जब बिताते हैं तो बहुत सारी अच्छी बुरी सारी बातें होती है, कुछ फूलिश होती है, कुछ नॉनसेंस होती है, कुछ फनी होती है, लेकिन हमको ऐसा लगता है कि वी शुड शेयर दिस. सो हियर, यू नो, द एल्डर्स, द पेरेंट्स, द फ्रेंड्स, दे शुड गिव टाइम टू द स्पीकर टू से ऑल सच थिंग्स. अगर वो फूलिश भी बोल रहा है ना, उसको फूलिश बोलने का मौका दो. वो स्टूपिड और नॉनसेंस बातें भी कर रहा है, तब भी उसे मौका दो कि वो बात करे, क्योंकि क्या हो रहा है, वो शेयर करना चाहता है. हर इंसान को ज़िंदगी में कोई ना कोई चाहिए शेयर करने के लिए. सो इफ़ पेरेंट्स, इफ़ द एल्डर्स, इफ़ द सिस्टर्स, brothers, if they will give that comfort zone to the teenagers, they will not find friends outside, they will get the friends inside only. So it's a responsibility of all the adults, okay, to do this for the teenagers at least. See, it's a responsibility of all these people to listen to the teenagers, to listen to the speaker. कौन कौन है वो लोग? चाहे फिर वो हमारे पेरेंट्स हो, हमारे आस पड़ोस के लोग हो, हमारे दोस्त हो, फैमिली मेम्बर्स हो, रिलेटिव्स हो. तो इनको क्या करना चाहिए? उसको इतना कंफर्ट जोन देना चाहिए कि वो अपने दिल की बात कह सके, चाहे उसमें सेंस हो ना हो, फूलिश हो, नॉनसेंस हो, लेकिन उसे बोलना है. तो बस आपको क्या करना है, एक मौका उसे दो कि वो अपना दिल हल्का करे. सो दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी important, and only this he wants from the listeners, nothing else. Next line, When I ask you to listen to me and you feel you have to do something to solve my problem, you have failed me, strange as that may seem. What he's saying, when I ask you to listen to me and you feel that you have to do something, don't be. This is the misunderstanding which you have. You don't have to do anything for me because I am capable of doing it for myself. I am capable of solving my problems on my own. You don't have to get bother for myself. You don't have to take tension for myself. कुछ लोग होते हैं, देखो अल्लाह ऐसे हो गया, अरे बाप रे वैसे हो गया, और जानबूझ के हमारे प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं जबकि प्रॉब्लम कुछ होती नहीं है. आई गिव द फाइनेस्ट एग्जाम्पल. सपोज आप, इफ़ यू आर राइडिंग अ बाइक और यू आर जस्ट वॉकिंग एंड यू हैड अ फॉल ओवर देयर. तुम चलो गिर गए वहाँ पे, आप आराम से उठ के खड़े भी हो जाएंगे, बट द सराउंडिंग पीपल दे विल कम एंड दे विल पैनिक यू. व्हाट हैपेंड टू यू? देखो यहाँ लगा है क्या? आपको कुछ नहीं भी लगा होगा तो वो आपको इतना ज़्यादा डरा देते हैं. सो this happens and this is happening. So this is the very wrong treatment which is given by the elders to the children. They should not do this. They just give them some time, because देखो अभी हमारा जो सिलेबस है, पहले जो होता था पूरा लर्निंग बेस होता था, बट द गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो रियलाइज्ड दिस. ओके, देर आर मेनी एक्सपर्ट, मेनी NGOs who have come together for this solution that children should have some activities. That's why your syllabus is totally activity based. So what happens? You learn on your own. बच्चे प्रैक्टिकली सीखते हैं, बच्चे प्रैक्टिकली ढूंढते हैं, इसलिए हमारी अभी जो स्टडीज़ है वो टोटली एक्टिविटी बेस्ड हो गई है. वाई? एज पर द न्यू सिस्टम, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट को समझ आया, लोगों को समझ में आया कि दिस इज़ द प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर यू कैन एक्सप्रेस योर फीलिंग. Say children, there is always a warming up activity before your lessons. Why is it there? Because that's a platform where you can express your feelings, you can express your views. Okay? Chalo. Next line. He is saying that you failed me. आपने मुझे नाकाम कर दिया जब आपने ऐसा किया. सिर्फ सुनो, कोई एडवाइस देने की मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है, और ये भी मत सोचना कि मैं मुसीबत में हूँ और आप मेरी मुसीबत सॉल्व करोगे. Who is saying this? The poet is saying. He is not just saying, he is requesting. Listen. All I ask is that you listen. Okay, again, this line is repeated and repeated. Okay? Don't talk or do, just hear me. बात मत करो और कुछ मत करो, सिर्फ सुनो. Advice is cheap. 20 cents will get you both Dear Abby and Billy Graham in the same newspaper. This poem is written in the past, so he has given the example of Dear Abby and Billy. See, there are these are the columnists. Columnist means there are specific columns in the newspaper where you can ask for the advices, and these experts give you the advice in that particular column only. वहाँ पे होता है, आप क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं एंड देन यू गेट द आंसर ऑल्सो, यू गेट द सोल्यूशन. तो ही इज सेइंग आई विल गेट द एडवाइस फ्रॉम द न्यूज़पेपर ऑल्सो, एंड दैट इज ओनली 20 cents. इट्स अमेरिकन करेंसी, और ये अमेरिकन कॉलमिनिस्ट है जो वहाँ के न्यूज़पेपर में लिखते हैं, तो उन्होंने उनका एग्जाम्पल दिया है. तो हमारे यहाँ पे भी न्यूज़पेपर्स है, इंडियन एक्सप्रेस इज देयर, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया इज देयर, देर आर ऑल्सो वन कॉलम, पुणे मिरर इज देयर. कॉलम्स आर देयर वेर यू कैन आस्क योर डिफिकल्टी, वेर यू कैन आस्क योर प्रॉब्लम, एंड डेफिनेटली यू गेट द answer for it, you get the advice for it. So he is saying what's different, I get the advice from there also. So it's too cheap 20 cents. जैसे कि हम बोल सकते हैं कि 2 रुपये के न्यूज़पेपर में भी मुझे एडवाइस मिल जाती है, तो फिर आपको क्या ज़रूरत है, मुझे एडवाइस नहीं चाहिए. ही इज़ जस्ट गिविंग दिस कंपेरिजन दैट आई गेट द एडवाइस, आई कैन गेट द एडवाइस फ्रॉम दिस पीपल ऑल्सो. सो what you have done then, you have not done anything else, you have not done anything different from these people. Okay, after that next line, and I can do for myself, I am not helpless, maybe discouraged and faltering but not helpless. What he's saying, advice is so cheap, I can get from these people from the newspaper, but let me tell you, I can solve my problems on my own. I am not helpless, मैं इतना helpless नहीं हूँ. हाँ, sometimes I become discouraged, because as I told you, there are many people who keep on discouraging. अरे तुझे तो आता ही नहीं है, you cannot do this, you are useless, hopeless, so and so, blah blah blah, and they keep on discouraging. So he's saying, I am not helpless, I have capability, but maybe I am discouraged and faltering but not helpless. Faltering, what do you mean by faltering? फाल्टरिंग मीन्स शिवरिंग, लड़खड़ाना, घबरा जाना, वैसा हूँ मेरे अंदर, लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, बट आई एम नॉट helpless. So don't underestimate the people, let them do on their own. Okay? When you do something for me that I can and need to do for myself, you contribute to my fear and inadequacy. Inadequacy is also inferiority. मतलब वही लड़खड़ाहट, घबराहट, phobia. When I ask you what he's saying, when you do something for me that I can and need to do for myself, you contribute to my fear and inadequacy. जब भी the things which I can do for myself, let me do. कभी कभी देखो, जो चीज़ हम हमारे लिए खुद कर सकते हैं, दूसरे आकर हमारे लिए वो करते हैं, which is totally wrong. Suppose now you can see test papers were given at home in the beginning when lockdown was there. So few students, they wrote on their own, but few students, I noticed that the papers were written by somebody else for them. So they have not done, that was completely wrong. This is the very finest example. पेपर बच्चों को लिखने थे, लेकिन कुछ लोगों ने क्या किया, किसी और ने उनके पेपर लिख दिए, which is very very wrong. And they have increased, what increase, they increase the phobia of the children, they increase the lack, no not, they increase the phobia of the children, and they increase the disabilities of the children over there. उन लोगों ने क्या किया, बच्चे को और ज़्यादा डिस्करेज किया, उसकी परेशानियों को और ज़्यादा बढ़ाया उसके लिए लिखकर. ठीक है, तो ये वही कह रहा है कि मेरे लिए कुछ मत करो, मुझे बस थोड़ा सपोर्ट करो, काम मैं अपना खुद करूँगा, मदद मैं अपनी खुद करूँगा. When you do something for me, I can and I need to do for myself, you contribute to my fear and inadequacy. आप मेरा डर भी बढ़ा रहे हो मेरी घबराहट भी बढ़ा रहे हो, तो मुझे एनकरेज करो कि बेटा तू ये कर सकता है, इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग द सेम थिंग फॉर मी. अभी सपोज होमवर्क है कुछ, तो भी बच्चे को नहीं आ रहा है, तो somebody will say, ला इधर मैं तेरा अभी लिख कर दे देती हूँ, and that person will sit and write for him. That is completely wrong. Make him understand, you can do like this, you can find out the answer from this book, from the internet. I am there to help you, but homework should be done by the children only. आप बच्चे से वो करवा कर लो, उसको समझाओ कि उसे कैसे करना है, ना कि उसका होमवर्क लेके आप खुद ही कर दो. Understood the difference? I have given the finest example of the papers also. Some children, they wrote on their own, तो वो करेक्ट थे, और कुछ बच्चों के लिए किसी और ने लिखा जो कि बहुत ही गलत था. I'll stop here. I'll continue the half of the poem in the next lesson. Next lecture. I hope you all have understood and liked the poem. Okay, beautiful poem. Author is, please listen, author is unknown. See, this should be done instead of writing. Poet is unknown, but हम एक अंदाज़ा लगा देते हैं कि he must be teenager. And he has went through all such problems in his life. He doesn't want advice. Okay, he doesn't want solution. He just want everybody to listen. Understood? To whom he is addressing? All these people he is addressing in this poem. कौन लोग हैं जिनको वो address कर रहा है? All the adults. Maybe उसके friends हो सकते हैं, मम्मी पापा हो सकते हैं, relatives, maybe teachers also. Okay, I hope you all have understood this much. Thank you so much, children, for watching the video. We will continue in the next lecture. So stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself, wash your hands, use sanitizer. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.